Just wash your fingers the right way.
What a great day to be alive!
So it's always good to start your footage without have the mic on. Mic drop. So what I said in the previous footage was we know what we have to do right now. I already showed you how I left the work in the trunk area, but I have to do it twice. So this is exactly how I left everything in the evening. That's the deck lid. We fixed it the proper way. So now we need to connect it back to the center console. And yeah, getting step by step to the way back how it's operating the way it looks like now. I'm pretty happy with the result, but let's see how it works at the end if it's mounted back on the center console, right? The beautiful center console. And by the way, just bloop it down if it's the blower motor for the rear seats or is it not. Get back this on. Get it back. Get it back. Reassemble it. All right. Let's reassemble the deck lid. I guess the biggest screws are the screws for this one. What do you think? So the snapper in front isn't mounted yet because I have to glue it, and if I'm ready with this one, I will just put it in this way, and the lid is back working just perfectly. Okay, that's the snapper. So that's the deck lid. Snapper, and here's the center console, and the snapper goes under the center console, but this little hook is cracked the whole way around. So I think to do something about it with a little metal angle and two little screws, I can figure out the proper solution. What do you think? But first I need a tiny little angle, and then I can work that out. Have a seat on the workbench is always a good idea. I really miss my Ford F250 1968 pickup, and the tailgate was just. You have coffee there, you have dinner there, you have a fixing plate over there, like a bench. So it's so useful. But now I'm looking for a little tiny angle. Fellas, I have an idea. Why you should not use 5 Canadian cents? Make out of it an angle, and you can put it with 2 tiny screws just on there. For me, is it just a perfect idea? For you? Bloop it down. So first of all, let's see if I have a tiny drill to get in hole. Benchy bench. Here it is. That's the tiniest one I have. All right, just kidding, right? I have exactly what I need. What I need. I have exactly what I need. That's what I wanted to discuss. That don't mean I have also washers and nuts. Or I should use again the metal screws. They are special metal screws, so they should go easily through the plastic and go through the 5 Canadian cents. Let's first do an angle. So our right. All right. First one done. I got you. All right. So we have 2 times 5 cent holes, and we're also getting closer to have the job done, right? So let's start at least with this one. All right. Two holes, one there, one there. Need concentration, fellas. I really need concentration. I can't entertain you and get the bolt through this direction, through the hole. All right. Seems to be working. Way too much up, because the head will dancing to the hook. Maybe they're dancing together, but let's see. Working. What is with you? It's the third one. Okay, just count. If I have been smart, I had drilled a bigger hole for the head of the screw bolt, but I don't, and be happy. Vice grip, vice grip. This side is looking pretty decent. Look at this, the proper way. So please don't tell my mommy, but we can't leave it like that. So I have to fix that. Find a metal saw and get the screw and the bolt cut it, right? I'll be right back. I'll be back. Nope. All right. I decided to get the screw out because it's way too dangerous. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It's already bended. So look at this. Would be great to have the right proper metal saw to just shorten up the bolts and nuts, but we saved on money. That's the original factory hand bracket for the hand bracket for the decklet. Let's get the baby back to an operating working mode. Something like that, right? Okay. See, decklet is on. Perfect! Look! You can't see it because of the steering wheel, but everything is fixed. So it's just unbelievable how long it takes to fix a center console in the way I did. But as you can see, the snapper is snapping, the angle is angleizing, and now just put everything back. Something like this? No, something like this? Yeah. And the job is done, fellas and fellazitas. One thing to remember. Before we have a breakdown, we should get a solution for the lock, the wheel lock, right? Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the footage, and see you next time on 4 Revive Chat.